We live in a world of constant movement, constantly evolving, adapting, building new things, bettering ourselves, bettering our families, our communities, and our industries. At Ahaus, we believe in building future-leaning products that exceed customer expectations. We believe in developing team members, from apprentices to managers. We believe our people are our most valuable resource. For more than a quarter century, Ahaus has been designing and building special assembly automation equipment. Our fully automated systems combine the best of speed and accuracy for assembly and test applications. We work with your in-house engineering team to develop the best fit for your project. Automation means scaling up, being ready for the future. Automation means relentless machine uptime, rapid production and assembly, robotic systems integration. Automation is safer, faster, and more accurate. It brings precision and total quality control to every project. Your parts will be the same every time, every day. Our employees take great pride in the craftsmanship shown in the projects we build. When you buy from Ahaus, you are investing in equipment that lasts, which helps your reputation and the bottom line. From design to build, you can trust that Ahaus will complete your custom automation project at the highest level of quality. Automation is movement. It is constant, like clockwork. Automation is Ahaus. Built for good.